Let me open up our meeting with a short introduction who's present here. I will start with our guest. This is Brendan Murphy. I got a little plan here. This is Sergey Mironov. He described him as a highly qualified top manager. He used to be managing international expertise in large international companies with 850 million of annual revenue. Top manager guy. He's a chief consultant to the BOD chairman of Kiev. He's a buildings engineer expert and also was involved in a number of series of greenfield projects. Next up, Nikolai Proskura. And finally myself, Vlad Ryabushkin. Here on this project on foreign relationship, investor relationship, business and consultancy team, liaison manager. I have a team of international consultants, about 50 people. Also, here on these projects, I consult in electronics, computer technologies, mechanical engineering, and I'm also CEO with different set of services, manufacturing.
In fact, we have 3 types of projects. We have 4 projects in general, and 2 of them are the pretty large scale. Second one, I would call it the middle scale with the potential for the bigger one.
That's what our idea was. We would go internationally outside of Ukraine. We would not speak Ukrainian.
That's why there is registry.
We would go to some less service country, for example.
Yes, but I'm dealing with it all the time, and as you know, in green energy on the 5th, all of that, the reason why that it bothers investors. So when an investor doesn't like it, the rate goes up.
I understand that. I used to be working at an American investment bank. My
Business model.
okay, we're open to any kind of
And I hear that.
because we got the technology and we're open to.
Okay. All right.
We have to keep you to also keep that in mind.
Yes.
Because not 20%.
And so hydrogen, 100% disconnected from the power and heating, from electrical power and heating. It's 100% autonomous. And in such a case,